Hi runners! This is Run, Rest, Repeat. If you're looking for a hotel na pasok sa budget, pero may vibe na medyo sosyal, eto na yun. Perfect kung may race events ka near Mall of Asia, and we are here in executive room in Midas Hotel and Casino. So hindi mawawala ang comfort room tour. Malinis, may hot and cold shower at complete ang toiletries. So ayan, unang makikita ay ang malaking bed, very cozy, ang fluffy ng pillows, parang gusto mo na lang humilata buong araw. Ideal pang relax after ng mahabang lakad o pagod sa race. And check this out, may mini chiller din. Pwede ka mag-store ng drinks or snacks. Chill lang, literally. And meron din silang TV on my right side. Hindi siya smart TV, pero may cable naman to. At ito pa, napakaraming salamin. Kahit saan ka tumingin, puro salamin. And yung kakalain mo salamin, hindi pala talaga siya salamin. Isa siyang convertible na cabinet. So let's check this out. Meron tayong flat iron and ironing board. So lifesaver to, lalo na kung kailangan mo mag-ayos ng outfit, ready to go ka lagi. Meron din silang balcony, ang favorite part ko. Ang ganda ng view. See? Cityscape goals, lalo na paggabi, sobrang relaxing. So ito naman yung view, pag dito sa balcony, ito yung room. Sobrang laki. At ang social. So, if nag-avail kayo ng with buffet breakfast, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang sulit din after ng run. Okay, so mamaya, ang presyo ng deluxe room and executive room ay pagko-compare din natin. So, this is executive room. Okay, so ngayon, galing ako sa MOA because I run the Hoka Leg 3 sa may MOA. Papunta na kami ngayon sa may buffet. So, we are at 9th floor. So, kailangan bumaba sa 2nd floor. Doon located yung buffet na kakainan namin. Okay, sobrang pagod ako niyan at sobrang gutom, sobrang uhaw, lahat na. Ang sakit na ng paa ko. Sakit na rin ng mga calves ko. So, yun. So, I'm craving for something na masasarap na pagkain. Now, we're here in the 2nd floor. And here is the restaurant. So, pupunta ka sa counter to mention or to dictate your room number and kung sino yon naka-register doon sa booking reservation. So, unang bubungad sa'yo is mga pastries. Ngayon, panoorin nyo na lang yung video to. Itutour ko kayo sa mga menu nila. Favorite ko dito, yung minsan naabutan namin naglalagay sila ng Nestle yogurt talaga. Minsan na lang yun. Lagi kami nandito. And sakto, meron sila ngayon. So, kung naghahanap ka ng hotel na cozy, affordable, pero classy, and super lapit sa Mall of Asia, lalo na kung may race event ka, Midas Hotel is the perfect spot. Here is the rate of the executive room. I get it discounted on this room because I've been using Agoda in all of my hotels and Airbnb bookings and became a VIP Diamond customer. So, kakabook ko yan kada may race. You can also check out this deluxe room. Here is the rate. Pwede ka rin mag-request if gusto mo ng twin or king-size bed. So, these rates is for 1 bedroom overnight for 2 persons. So, stay tuned in my Facebook page for more hotels and Airbnb recommendation near race events location. See you on the race!